How to set up Safeguard on Telegram. If you want to set up Safeguard on Telegram, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now maybe you are a group owner and then you would like to manage your group. First of all, go to Telegram and simply search for your certain group right there. Once you've selected the group, and you must also be the owner of the group, by the way. So what we want to do is, let's say we want to add a new member, tap on add members. To set up Safeguard, in the search bar you just want to type in Safeguard, which is a group bot, by the way. So let me just go ahead and then type that in. You'll find many Safeguard bots. Just choose the one at the very top of the list, and once done, hit the arrow button and hit the add member button. Now you've successfully added Safeguard right here automatically. You can type in /setup, or automatically you can go ahead and then set it up all like this. So you can customize some of the group settings. You can get the pro version, you can get events, you can get just, you can see a list of administrations, list of free users, and all of these options. You can also see what to do with the robot adder and some of the instructions guide. If you do not know how you can basically use it. And this is how you can set up Safeguard on Telegram. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.